Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. In this video we will convert the past indefinite tense sentences into negative sentences. These steps are used to convert. Ate, did not after verb. Replace the second form of the verb with the first form of the verb. Like I went to Peshawar. I didn't go to Peshawar. The went is converted into the first form of the verb go. She ran on the road. She didn't run on the road. Run, run, these are same in the first and second form of the verb. Ahmed reached home safely. Ahmed did not reach home safely. Ed is replaced. First form of the verb is written. They plucked the flowers. They didn't pluck the flowers. मैंने पूल नहीं तोड़े. Children played hockey. Children did not play hockey. बच्चों ने हॉकी नहीं खेली. We cooked rice. हमने चावल बनाए. We didn't cook rice. हमने चावल नहीं बनाए. It rained today. आज बारिश हुई. It didn't rain today. आज बारिश नहीं हुई. The patient died yesterday. मरीज कल मर गया. The patient didn't die yesterday. मरीज कल नहीं मरा. I bought red cloths. मैंने सुर्ख कपड़े खरीदे. I didn't buy red cloths. मैंने सुर्ख कपड़े नहीं खरीदे. मुझे उम्मीद है आपको समझ आई होगी. अल्लाह हाफिज़.